Do you want to know how to clear system storage on Android phone? Well, then you have come to the right video because I am going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake in this process. If you have Samsung phones or Google Pixel phones, whatever it is, you can make over to your system settings by going into your settings panel. So the first thing I will do is to open my settings, scroll down, and I will click on device care and storage. Here you can see I am running out of storage, and now I will tap on the three dot in the top right corner and click on storage settings to get more detail. And you can basically see that the system storage takes up quite a bit of storage. Now for a majority of people there is not much you can do if I'm being honest. If you just bought a brand new phone, it has already taken up a lot of storage. Now one of the ways you can normally fix this, it's a big number like this. Again, a lot of system storage may just taken up automatically no matter what you do. But the very first thing I do recommend, if you're somebody who's using some built-in apps on your device, you may be able to go ahead and clear out the system data within those specific applications. So for a lot of you guys, you may not actually able to delete them sometimes, but sometimes you may be able to force stop or disable it. And also you might be able to go to storage panel here and you might be able to clear the data and caches of the system app. So if you're not using any of these apps, I recommend to clear the data and caches. If you have a Samsung phone, click on the three dots and select storage analysis. Here you can see the list of files like duplicate files, large files, and unused files. You can delete the duplicate files. Just click on this and you can see there are multiple files. You can select them and delete it if you want. And other thing you can do is to click on unused files and delete them because you're not using it, right? But before deleting, please check it if you really need it or not. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we do love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we hope you have a fantastic day.